Okay, it's working again. Testing. And yeah.
Oh, it's working. Sweet. We are headed to Hell's Revenge. We've got a Jeep up here with some broken wheel studs. The customer and his kid are in the Scrambler with Shawn behind us. So we're gonna run up here. We're gonna see if we can repair it in place, because I really don't want to carry it out of there.
It's less than ideal.
Less than ideal. So we're just gonna get it fixed. Hopefully we've got everything we need. We'll get it knocked out and get it back on their way. And then we have another project to go do up on Porcupine Rim up above Hell's Revenge. We will get it all figured out and bring you guys along for the ride. That's the bottom of tip over challenge.
Right there. All right, see what happened here.
There it is.
Aha, I see what has happened. The studs are not very studly anymore.
Nope, not studly at all.
Did the old lug delete?
Yeah, Bluetooth lug nuts.
Well, he's just over by tip over challenge. Just be a quick tow out. I'm like, no.
Well, that's what I said to you. I'm like, I think I made it past the hard stuff, and you're like, no, you haven't.
Well, it's like the hard stuff in a Jeep, yes.
Yeah,
The
exactly.
hard stuff towing a Jeep is a whole nother.
It's very different.
Yeah.
I'm guessing we need a 18.
No, we just need to pull the caliper off. We don't need to pull the whole bracket off.
Oh, sweet. Have our handy dandy Boxo Rollo tools.
Can you get me the 18? Mike's always got to be right.
I didn't say it.
Oh yeah, always got to be right.
Owie. Yeah, it looks like it was loose for a little while.
It was. It was loose the whole trip. And I mean, I'm doing 80 miles an hour. I'm doing cliffhanger. I'm doing, Jesus. I mean, as I came down this, you couldn't control which way it was sliding. Like it just had a mind of its own.
What happened there?
So what these did is they backed out from probably being loose anyway. But if they didn't Loctite these when they put them in,
Yep.
then they would slowly walk in.
So is my shaft ruined, or it's good?
Nah, it looks okay, but we'll check it out. Here, don't sit under here. If this snaps for any reason. Okay, Shawn.
Yep.
Put it in neutral. You can hold the brake. Right, watch out. All right, let it come back a little. Okay, hold right there. All right, go ahead and let off and see if it'll stay.
Yep.
Okay. Do we have an extra one?
I don't know.
I don't think so.
Because that's our problem. Is they sat there and wallowed at it until the threads are kind of
So the
screwed up.
shaft is jacked.
No, we just need to
Tap it
clean
right.
the threads up
Yeah.
so it'll thread in.
I get it.
Which I don't think I have.
All right, so here we go. It's Mike and Shawn show field trip. We are heading back to the shop to get a half 20 tap or a thread chaser or something to fix the threaded holes in that axle shaft.
So we just got to clean the threads up a little bit, run the stud back in, and ready to go. But we got to run all the way across town.
Alright, so this is the secret stash over here. We got 2 of them. Half 20.
Half 20.
That's the one we really want. We got the goods, and we got a Capri Sun. We found some Cheetos in the glove box. Things are looking up.
They leave the home crew?
There's folks at the dinosaur tracks with no vehicle. They either walked there or they got left by their tour guide. Like, you ever seen the bumper sticker that says tip your guide or we'll leave you out there?
Yeah.
Maybe they didn't pay well enough.
We're coming, Roy.
You want your hubs in?
No.
All right.
On YouTube.
Look at all these goodies.
You got something for me?
Yeah, life is good. See, if it was me, I would never do that. I would have to like hand thread it in, make sure the threads were perfect. I could never just use the tool, gun it in there.
Mike does not understand the process of winging it.
We saw something interesting on the way back.
What other threaders do you have, Mike?
Oh yeah, get that silver one. That one's the fresh one.
There was a group of people at the dinosaur track.
No vehicle.
No people.
Just
They had a helmet.
We're like, huh? Maybe they didn't tip their guide. So,
Oh dear.
Yeah.
She's doing some cutting.
He did.
There's plenty of threads there. So that's good. You got some of that blue goose, Shawn?
yes, sir, right here.
You know, I can't even count the times that I've been out here. It's like 100 degrees plus, and I get like a mountain biker that comes up, hey, do you have any water?
Oh
And I'm
yeah.
like, yeah, I got water.
those two and the one opposite it. That'll be 3 out of 5. Shawn only runs 50% of his lug nuts, so that's over 50%, so it's basically golden. So what would you rate the torque spec on that? Like,
oh, that was 3 Ugga-Duggas.
Just enough.
3 hammer fists.
Just enough.
3 Thors. Because now my hand is Thor.
I see what you did there.
So it looks like one of the bolts did get the ABS sensor. It looks like it's been touched inappropriately and it's covered in metal shavings.
Yeah. Then,
So it's probably not going to work.
yep.
Okay, I owe somebody a tap. All right.
Look at that. You got lugs.
There you go.
There you go.
That wonderful hammer.
What a difference torquing them down makes.
Yeah. There's some guy at a tire shop right now thinking to himself, I recognize that Jeep.
Yeah. Back in business.
Right there.
Yeah, look at them, they're leaving. We're leaving too.
All right. We'll see if the tip over challenge strikes again. There we go. Another happy customer drives away.
So this is the staircase in two-wheel drive while texting. I wouldn't have hit that bump if I hadn't been texting, so shame on me.
Yeah, lesson learned.
Distracted wheeling.
Don't text and drive, folks. Unless you're Rory. Do as I say, not as I do.
Exactly.
So, we saw Shawn stopped at the top of this hill with the hood up. So now we're gonna play chicken. Or maybe he'll still be there. Yep, he's still there.
I turn around for 1 second.
What did you do?
I drove it. It went,
Nothing.
Is the fuse out of it?
no, because a horn would actually work, or lights, or something, but there's nothing.
Like literally all things?
Everything. It went click, and then it shut off. So something to do with main power or main ground. There it is.
This one right here.
That back one.
Yeah.
Yeah, the 1-2, not the 1 out of 2.
Yeah. 1-2, not 1 out of 2.
Thought that lady was gonna beat me up.
I was parked in the middle of the road.
Yeah.
You can't park here!
See if it'll start.
Yeah. Oh, there was a spark right out of this negative battery terminal vicinity.
Battery terminal area. Battery might be dead. I think it's terminal. Go ahead, Shawn. We're not making a good connection. Okay.
Well, it looks like the people that were standing here before found a ride. I guess they worked it out. All right, so what we're trying to do is move this big thing on top of right here so that nobody runs over the well.
You re-engage that?
I did. So we got another truck involved.
Brake set?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Shawn. Okay, that way. Good. Okay, try to turn it.
Look at that.
Okay, good. Out.
All right.
We should have brought the drone and then called Jessica at CarQuest. Hey, we need this tap. We'll send a drone over.
Yeah, tape it on there.
Tape it on there. then
Dude,
fly
that
all the way
would have
across.
been the move. I'm more like the tom-tom of this movie.
It's so concerning.
It's way less educated.
Called him Tom Tom. Now he's gonna get all smart.
Get all smart on us now, Mr. Fancy Pants.
Right?
Can be challenged or dominated or I don't know.
I don't know. There's a word. We'll come up with it. Hang on.